Hey, what's going on YouTube? I have a new build going on. It's gonna be an AMD build, but I don't have all the parts there, but I did purchase one thing locally, and I did it to support local businesses, even though I paid more, but I got to look at the product, I got to touch it, I got to move stuff on it, I got to open up the door, I got to take it apart. You know, as much as I can take apart an empty computer tower. And I got to talk to the owner of the place. How many times do you get to talk to Jeff Bezos when you buy something off of Amazon? Probably never. So, let's get on with showcasing what I purchased from a local store owner. And it's the tower, okay? So let's check it out. Alright, here I have is Darkflash DLM21 luxury MATX chassis, but it's not as big as most micro ATX chassis. This is actually pretty small. I'm putting a micro ITX board in there with all the goodies. Most of the parts are coming from my old build, which was in a micro ATX tower. What I'm replacing is the micro ITX, or excuse me, I'm replacing the motherboard and I'm replacing the CPU. And you'll find out what those are exactly. I mean, it's AMD, but as far as the model and the type, you know, things like that, you'll find out in the next video. But let's go ahead and get this box open. I'm going to do this very simply. I'm going to turn it upside down. It does come with tempered glass. This box down there on the floor. Let's turn this over. It looks like I have it upside down. That's okay. Alright, here's the side. Here's the back. Look at that. So, I can't fit a lot in here, but that's okay. It has the mesh top. This is perfect for my liquid sealed cooler. Here's the front. Kind of reminds me of a stormtrooper, doesn't it? To you? Here we go. Tempered glass. Even says caution. This side do not face the floor. Because I guess because it's glass. You don't want to break it. Check it out. There you go. So there is just enough room to put a micro ATX board, but this is going to be for my micro ITX. It's going to be awesome. Here on top you have your USB 3, two USB ports, microphone port, headphones port, power button right there. See, does the mesh come off on top? Doesn't appear that it does. Let's open it back up. So it looks like I will have enough room. Probably put my liquid cooler right there. I put, you know, there I can put the rad right there. Alright. I'm not even going to install piece by piece. I'm going to wait for everything to come in. So the only thing that I'm missing is the motherboard, which should be here on Saturday, and the CPU is supposed to be here today. So let me tell you, I can't wait. I want to get this baby going. The GPU that I plan to put in here is the MSI GeForce 1060. I could put in my EVGA GeForce RTX 2060 8 GB, but well, those are really in there really well, so I'd have to get a tool to get that open so I could open up the front. So we can see the inside. There you go. Have some simple instructions here. I'm not sure if I'll even read those. Then I have all, have all the special button controls and the wires, the USB, speaker ports, power button, things like that. Comes with a little bag of screws. Comes with a little towel to wipe down the glass. Can't believe that was on there for the time. That's okay. I think I'd like to do themes. I think maybe this will be like my Stormtrooper theme. Maybe I'll get a little Stormtrooper and I'll put him in there. I do have some Star Wars collectibles like the Black Series sets. I don't have a Stormtrooper though. If I did, I think he might be too big. Now, I'm not putting the best parts in here. I just don't feel like taking out my EVGA GeForce RTX 2060. I believe that my 1060 can do just as well, but not well. If I'm just playing, if I'm just playing on like Ultra, I really can't tell the difference between the two. I really can't, unless I put them side by side. All right. So, if you made it this far, appreciate it. Everyone, just give me a like and a subscribe, and hopefully I will film myself putting together my new gaming rig. I like to have 2 gaming rigs. I like to have, it's not that I like to have 2 of everything. That is nice, but what I plan to use this for is gaming, and I'll see how the 1060 does on this system, because if anything, I would rather just get another card. But this GPU does ray tracing. It's the GeForce, in my opinion, the MSI GeForce 1060 is still a great card. It does ray tracing. That was my main GPU that I gamed with, and that's great. It's still great. It's still great in 2020. I think it's still going to be great in 2021 as well. Folks, you have a good day. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.